One of recent innovations in modern times is the creation of bone conduction headphones. But it's quite hard to find one with the right specs. But bear with me because I think I found the best one. Welcome to the review of the Run Plus from Mojawa. In this review, I'm going to tell you all about these bone conduction headphones. Specs, price, we're going to do a mic test, and in the end, I'm going to tell you if they're worth the money. With this said, let's start the review of the Mojawa Run Plus. Let's start with the price. The Mojawa Run Plus bone conduction headphones has a price tag of $159.99. At the time of this review, there is a coupon on Amazon of $40. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up. For best price and product information. The box has a clean design and is white, like most of the brands those days. When you open the box, you can see on the left side a sketch of the Run Plus, and on the right side the Run Plus. Underneath, you have a nice carrier pouch, some manuals, the 4-pin charger cable, and 2 earplugs. Let's see the Run Plus more in detail next. You can get the Run Plus in 4 colors: blue, grey, orange, and the one in review, the black one. Looking at the design, there is nothing too special about the Run Plus bone conduction headphones. And this is something that is not bad, because pretty much all bone conduction headphones are similar, so that all the components and drivers fit in the headphones. But with this said, there is a few things that makes the Mojawa stand out. So let's see them, starting with the frame. Is made of titanium material that is a premium material. This helps to keep the weight down. The frame has also a smooth rubbery material that feels great to touch. The design is also very light, with the Run Plus weighing just under 30 grams. Just because it's light, it doesn't mean that it's cheap or bad quality. On the other hand, the build quality is very strong and premium. You have the main unit, and inside you have the charger pins. It connects it magnetically, and you will need the charger to transfer music into the headphones. Really cool. Another feature that most bone conduction headphones don't have is touch sensor. But with the Run Plus, you have a swipe gesture. So, for the volume up and down, you can just swipe it. I know this is not new, we're having this on earbuds for a long period of time, but on bone conduction headphones, it's not a feature that we see a lot. In my opinion, this is great when you are doing sports. It's much easier. Just swipe up and down for the volume. At the front, you have the vibration pads, and the one at the left side has also a clicky button to control pretty much everything. Talking about the battery is where the Run Plus comes a bit shy, with 8 hours of battery life, when played around 75% volume. Charging the headphones is also extremely fast, with only 15 minutes for the full charge. Bone conduction headphones volume is never the best, well, in my opinion. But with the Run Plus, you will get really decent volume. And they are also pretty loud, but do expect noise leak. But this is something that happens with all bone conduction headphones. Let's see some of the specs now. The Run Plus comes with a Bluetooth 5.2 chipset, with support for AAC and SBC codecs. Having the AAC, in my opinion, helps with the sound quality. I know that in bone conduction headphones, the quality is not the best, but the Run Plus sound really good. They have IP68 dust and water resistant rating, meaning that you can swim if you wish for a depth of 2 meters for 2 hours. They also come with a whopping 32 GB of storage, so you can run or swim without your phone. Talking about sound quality, the Run Plus are one of the best bone conductions in my opinion regarding sound quality. They have a nice balanced sound signature. Mojawa designed them with a very complex driver that uses a dual suspension anchor, and they have also a Mach left bass technology to produce deep resonating bass. Talking about bass, keep in mind that no bone conduction headphones will have good bass due to how they work. So with the Run Plus, you will get a better dynamic sound signature compared with the standard bone conduction headphones. They sound good, but bass is almost flat. The mids and highs are very clear and nice, and they are present, and you can hear a good separation between instruments. One of the best sound signature in bone conduction headphones that I have tested so far until today. Next, please be the judge on the call quality inside and outside.
Right guys, so this is the sound of the microphone of the Mojawa Run Plus. So they are made to run, stream, not to speak on the phone really. But if you are running and you want to take a phone call, this is how they sound. So this is inside of my house, so inside of my studio, so no noise around, no big noises. So this is how they sound if you want to take a phone call on a quiet ambient. We're going to go outside and do the same outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Mojawa Run Plus bone conduction headphones outside. So if you are going to go for a run or something like that, you need to take a phone call. This is how they will sound outside. There's no wind, nothing like that. So pretty easy test to do. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound of the microphones. We're going to go inside and carry on with the review.
Latency. So these headphones are for sports and not for playing games or watching videos. But if you want to do that, you will notice lag with both. It's okay with videos, but with games like PUBG, the lag is quite present. So my final opinion, the Run Plus are the first bone conduction headphones that I have kept to use when I'm running. I think they are one of the best offers at this price point, with great build quality and great sound. And that's it guys, this was our review on the Mojawa Run Plus bone conduction headphones. If you found any value in this review, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for the best price and product information. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family. Now catch you in the next one.